What's going on, guys? I am Charlie, the Technical Support Manager at JA Designs. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix broken emergency lights in FiveM. This video will help you fix any emergency lights, whether that be police vehicles, fire and EMS vehicles, or any vehicle that may come with emergency lighting. Okay guys, so in this video, I will be using the new JA Designs legacy package. I believe it will be the 2024. So what we'll be fixing is the lights showing up like this being misplaced, as you can see in the light bar. And to be fair, with most of the vehicle it actually isn't too bad. However, the light bar is very messed up. First, you'll need to enter your resources folder and locate the vehicle in question. During this example, it will be the Legacy 20 FPIU. You'll need to locate the data files, the car variations meta file, and the car calls meta file. You'll need to open them in a notepad of your choice. I'm using Visual Studio Code. First, you'll want to go into the car calls and search for ID value. Now, if a vehicle has a mod kit, make sure you are not changing this, as this is the mod kit ID, what we may cover in a later tutorial. You will want to find the ID value that is next to the spawn code of the vehicle. The ID value in this is 54765674. You will then find in the car variations that the siren setting is the same. In order to change lights, you will need for both the siren setting and the car calls ID value to be the same. In this tutorial, I will be changing the ID values from the original number to 123. Please note that it is different in each server, so 123 may not work for you. I will then save these and go back to my game. Now that we are back in game, you'll want to refresh your server and ensure your vehicle. In my case, it is JA Legacy. You will then want to open your spawner of choice and spawn your vehicle. As you can now see, my light bar is working absolutely fine. So are all the other lights on the vehicle. Now please do note that it will not always work first time. It is based on your server and it is a very situational thing. Therefore, it may take multiple tries before you actually get the correct ID, which will allow for your light bar and for your overall vehicles to work. If at any point you need assistance with any JA Designs product, feel free to make a technical support ticket in the JA Designs Discord.